Okay, we're going to start the lecture immediately. This lecture is slated to take place by 8 p.m. So, and what we are going to do tonight basically is to introduce you to MATLAB. Before we do that, um, since you don't have university email address yet, one of you will share your screen so I can show you how to use MATLAB online with either with your phone or with your laptop. Is there anybody using laptop for the meeting? Is there anyone using laptop for the meeting? Okay, Shuba. So let me make you a co-host. Um, so Chuba, share your screen. Okay, so go to Google Chrome. Please, everybody be paying attention. Um, if you don't mind, you can be doing the same thing he's doing. Okay, you may not be able to do that since you're using your phone uh, since you're using your phone for the meeting. Now type MATLAB online on the search here, MATLAB online. Okay, so um, uh, click on the first one. Click on start using MATLAB online. I hope everyone is seeing what he's doing. I need your response. Unmute yourself and talk. I hope everybody is seeing what he's doing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, Open MATLAB online. It's like I've been using MATLAB before.
Yes, sir. I've created the account.
Huh? You've
I've
created
I've created the account.
MathWorks account.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you watched the video I sent.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's a good one. I expect it means that that video is able to guide people. So I expect everyone to do so. Now, we can see that there are basically 3 windows or 4 windows there. I can see the workspace. Point to the workspace. Let them see the workspace. That is not the workspace. Workspace is by the left. By my left. Okay. This is not clear enough. This is not clear enough. But you are using your Gmail. You use your
I
Gmail.
use my school email.
Eh?
I use my school email.
I'm not hearing you. Did somebody hear him?
I used my school email.
You use which email did you use in opening the account?
My school email, photos email,
Your
student email,
school email.
student
How
email.
did you
Yes,
get your school email?
my HOD gave it to us.
Okay. Which department?
Computer engineering.
Eh?
Computer engineering.
Okay, computer engineering now has you people now have what do you call it? Your MATLAB license now. That is, all of you have email address now.
Yes, sir.
That's fantastic. So I expect every other department to follow suit. That's a good one. Now, if we follow the lecture like this, your screen is not clear, and I'm sure it might not be clear to everybody. So, okay, have you installed MATLAB now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Have you installed MATLAB?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So launch your MATLAB. Let's go to the real MATLAB. Launch your MATLAB. Close this one. Launch your MATLAB. Don't launch it online. Launch your MATLAB you installed.
Yes, this is it.
Eh?
This is it. This is it.
This cannot be a MATLAB environment now you install on your system. You are on MATLAB online?
No, this is the one I installed on my system.
Why is your system black in color?
Dark mode.
Eh?
Dark mode. Dark mode.
Change it. I don't like it. Okay.
Like
So we'll be looking at MATLAB Windows for this night. Let's look at it. So MATLAB, I don't know whether, first of all, stop sharing. But this lecture has been, I dropped this lecture. I drop it. How many people have listened to the lecture here? How many?
how many people are on the call?
We have 32 people here. I'm not really
Yes.
concerned about how many people on the call. My duty is to do what I'm supposed to do. If anybody fails, it's not, my conscience is clear. I've seen that students don't want to take something serious, so I'm not bothered. This lecture is supposed to start by 8. I started exactly 8, so eventually when the exam comes, if somebody gets F, it's not my business. Okay, so I took time to prepare that lecture. So you watch it. Now share your screen back. So there are three, basically, you have command window, you have workspace, you have the where you have your current folder. Everything is not really showing on this thing. Uh, you're having pilot co-pilot chat. Can you
It's not
click
mute.
on layout?
It's not mute. Oh.
Layout.
How are you going to take attendance?
Can you click on layout?
She's counting what?
Can you click on layout?
Okay.
No, Oscar.
Go to, there should be default there now. You don't have default.
I've clicked on
Click on it again. Have you clicked on default? Click on layout again. Click on layout again.
default.
Okay. Okay, click on 3 columns.
Who is making noise?
Click on 3 columns. Good.
Wait, please.
By default, this is what you see when you launch a MATLAB. Let's see default again. Let's see default. This is 3 columns. Let's see default. So this is what you see. You on the left hand side, you see workspace. On the you see files, and you see command window.
Oh, we are not going to computer today. Do this.
Now let's start from command window. I want you to pay attention to his screen. Type CLC there. Small letter CLC. So enter. Enter. Okay. So one person should tell us, what do you think CLC is used for? That command CLC is used for in MATLAB.
It is used for.
Eh?
It is used for.
I can't hear you.
I said it is used for.
It is used for what? Who heard what he said? If you heard what he said, you repeat it.
I didn't hear, sir, but CLC is used to clear the command window.
Okay, CLC is used to clear the command window. Now type capital A is equal to 24. Enter. Somebody should tell us your observation. What's the observation?
There is a change on the screen. and
Yes, it
the
displayed on the
variable A
screen.
is showing
What else did you observe?
the variable A is showing a value.
The variable A
Then
is showing.
showing a value of 24.
Yes. What else do we see?
Then there's another prompt to give it another command.
Okay. That's a good attempt. A good one.
Then wait,
What else do you observe?
then there is a table created having the value of A and the size and the class.
Good. So we can see that workspace is used to hold, it's a temporary storage, memory storage, to hold what the MATLAB is doing. Type CLC again. You type CFC. You didn't type CLC. So the command window is cleared again. What do we observe?
Even though the command window is clear, the workspace is still holding the value of the variable that was entered before.
Great. So let's type capital A now. Type capital A again and strike enter. So you see that that memory, that A is still there. Okay. Now type C is equal to 1 colon 10. Enter. Okay, so what do we think that command is used for? C is equal to 1 colon 10.
Okay, it's used to show the size of the variable.
The size of the variable. Okay. The size of the variable. Which kind of variable is that?
Or okay, no, not really the size, but the range of values for that variable C.
Okay. Is it only one person that is answering?
It creates a row matrix from 1 to it creates a row matrix from 1 to 10.
It creates a row matrix from 1 to 10. Okay, that's still correct. I want you to type CLC, capital letter. Capital letter. Okay. So what can we say about that capital letter? It's showing us an error. So what do we conclude?
MATLAB is case sensitive.
MATLAB is case sensitive. MATLAB is case sensitive. MATLAB is case sensitive. Type small a. Enter. So, you see what it's telling you? It doesn't recognize what small a is because we have not defined it before. Now asking you, did you mean capital A? Now type clear, small letter, clear. Type capital A again. You notice you've cleared the memory. Clear is used to clear the memory, so it doesn't recognize anything again. Type C, it will see through an error. Okay? So we're trying to appreciate the command MATLAB windows. We have a workspace, we have command window. There's another window we are going to introduce shortly. So you go to new. Scripts. Control N, script. So this is where you write your M file. M file meaning MATLAB file. M file means MATLAB file. So let's try to probably plot a simple graph. Let's say just type percentage sign. Say plot of y is equal to ms plus c. So you see that that thing is in we just commented it out. So you use percentage sign to comment programs out in MATLAB. Strike enter so we can proceed. So let's define x. Let's say x is values of s from 0. X is equal to. Can you use Control Plus and see if you can increase the size of that you are listing? Control Plus. Be increasing it. Increase it more. Okay. I think it's clear to everybody now.
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to, after that x, put space before equal to so that it will be good. 0,
Yes, sir.
0, semicolon, no, sorry, colon, not semicolon, colon, at increment of 2, 2
April, May, June,
up
July,
to 20, semicolon, or rather colon 20, colon 20. Good. Y
It is that person with this one, sir.
is equal to, before you define Y, define C. Let's assume that C is equal to, C is intercept on Y axis. Let's assume that C is equal to what now? Equal to 0. So the graph should start from origin. Oh, Father, thank you. So we have Y is equal to,
This 99, I mean,
Y is equal to, let's assume that M is equal to 1. M is equal to 1. Okay. Those things are showing those points because we didn't suppress it, but no problem. So Y is equal to, it had just shown you the way to write Y is equal to MS plus C. M star plus C. So that's it. I think you use is it what now? Use tab to go to the end of the line. No. No, go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Type Y again. It's equal to, it brought out some things equal to, it's not coming up again, but that prompt came up. Y is equal to M star X plus C. You need to take note that that C must be the same thing as the other C. That X must be the same thing as the other. Suppress it. Use semicolon and suppress that line. Semicolon. Good. Okay, so let's run it so that we see, first of all, what X and Y is. Click Run, it will prompt you to save. So create a folder. Create a folder. Create it in your documents. Call it what do you call it now?
Open that grey app for you.
This is what's the title of this course? MC202. What is the title of this course again? Tell me now, what is the title of this course again? You've created a course MC202. So open MC202. You created the folder. Now call it what do you call it now?
Modeling and simulation of physical systems.
We have not started modeling anything. We have not started modeling anything yet. Before we do that modeling, we need to have a physical class. You get to understand what we want to model. We're just trying to appreciate material environment. Okay, if you call it graph 1, okay, call it graph 1, that's okay. Graph1.m has to be .m. No, it has to be .m. You can go to File, Save As. Click on Save As. Okay, it's like it did it automatically. Okay. Now click Run. If I click on, go to command window and go to the arrow and show us the results. So can we see X? Let's see the X. Show us X. So X is so what do you observe about X?
X starts from 0, then with an interval of 2 added to the next number till 20.
Okay. So the increment is 2. And of course, okay, do CLC. Do CLC on the command window. Suppress that X. Suppress it. Okay. Run it again. Let's see. X shouldn't come out again, just like Y. Let's see you see X is suppressed. You won't show again. You use that semicolon to suppress a result, but it will still be in the workspace. So go down. Let's do the plotting. You say you can't hear me. Who can't hear me? How many people are not hearing me? Can you hear me now?
I'm hearing you. Yes, we are hearing you.
Okay, the person that says he can't hear me, that must be network from his side. Because I intentionally use a good network for all my lectures. It's an intentional something. Okay, bring down command window a little. I mean, drop down the command window. Now, on the who is using the marker now? Who is writing those things there? So type plot. Type plot. Plot we are plotting, want to plot y against x. So in MATLAB, anything you want to plot, anything you want to enter, x-axis must come first. Plot, no space. Plot, open brackets and close. Plot, we are plotting y against x, but we write it plot x comma y. Okay. Strike enter. Check your graph. Check the graph. The graph must have come up. Okay, run it. Run. Ah. Maximize that figure. Maximize the figure. So you can see that that's the plot. That's the plot. Before we begin to edit, let's make it quadratic equation now. Go back, close the prof. So let's make it quadratic equation. Let's start from minus what now? Start from minus 10. Okay, if it is quadratic equation, it will be ax squared plus bx plus c. But let's assume that a is 1. So make that x squared make the x square. It has to be dot square. We're dealing with x dot. There should be a dot in front of that square because we're dealing with dot multiplication now, not vector multiplication. No, no. X before the square sign. Okay, remove the other side now. Remove mx. Okay, we are plotting. Go to plot of y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay. Now, if you assume that A is 1, B is 1, and C is 1, just type them. A is 1, B is 1. What it means is we are dealing with, you may not necessarily put them because they are 1. Just, what it means is y is equal to x squared plus x. You can comment those ones off. We don't really need to test them since they are 1. Okay. So we have that this is y is equal to x squared plus x plus 1. Yeah. Y is equal to just a minute. Just a minute. I need to make an Now go ahead, plot again, run it. We have already plotted, run it. So you can see the graph. That is the graph. Of course, if we make a minus, the graph will go up to become a maximum graph. This is a minimum graph. Make a minus, that's minus x squared. Close that one. Just trying to refresh your secondary school stuff. Good. Plot it again. The graph will have a parabola shape now. We can edit this. So let's try to edit it. Hold on.
này
Okay, so go to, we're on the plot now. How is your plot looking like this? Are you on MATLAB online?
No, I'm on MATLAB.
You're on MATLAB.
The one
Is it that I'm not seeing you at this thing? Okay, probably they're changing. Click on title. Let me see. Let me see what is on title. Click on it. Okay, when you click on it, you type the name of the title now. It's showing there. Call it plot of y against x. Okay. X rebel. Click on X rebel. So call it X axis. You click on Y rebel. Call it Y axis. Okay. Click on S. Click on grid. Let me see what comes up. Okay. So grid comes up. Click on the curve. Click on the curve. You click on it. Let's click on it. Let me see. No, it's not highlighted yet. What is this? Is this format? Click on format. I've not seen where to click on tools. I'm not seeing layout. No, it's not there. Go back to figure. Um, It can be, go back to figure, go back to figure. Click on this color bar, let's see what is there. That is not what I'm saying. I'm looking for. There is a way you can edit this thing so that it becomes bigger. Click on this curve again. The thing is not there. Click on this arrow. There is one arrow beside test arrow. This interface is a bit different from this MATLAB. Is it MATLAB 2025 or 2026 we installed?
It's 2026.
2026. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is something I'm looking for. We have not seen it. Subtitle, Y label. Trying to click on, I know we didn't click on X grid. Click on X grid. Let me see what is inside. It didn't show anything. Go to format. Okay, so click on the curve again. Let's see whether something will be highlighted there. I just hope we are clicking the right thing. It's not really showing. Click on tools. If it doesn't show, we leave it. It said updated some things. It's not showing. Finally, click on layout. If I don't see what I'm looking for, we'll leave it. It's not there. One can I did not even see what do you call it? Formatting tools. Formatting tools. It's not there. Probably you right click on the graph. Inside the graph. Let's see what we have come up. No, I say just not on the line, on the graph itself. Right click on it.
Nothing is happening.
What is this? Okay. If we have time, I will show you what I mean. It's not showing on this. I've not seen where they place it on the 2026 this thing. It's not really showing. Not really showing. Let me look at chart. The chart used for. Okay. So that is where to plot graph, but we're not dealing with plotting graph now. Bring down your screen. Let me show you what I mean. Though my screen is 2024. Stop sharing.
Okay.
Okay, so let me share my screen. I think this should be my MATLAB. Confirm you can see my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir,
Can
I
you
can
see my
see.
screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's assume that we are dealing with x is equal to 0 to up to 20. These people that are making noise, at times we ignore some things, but it really shows whether somebody has home training or not. I see many people trying to disturb the class by writing on the screen, but that thing at times it points out the kind of home it came out from. It means that that person doesn't really you don't have you don't have manners, and you carry it into the society. You think you are smart. You are just in public place misbehaving. Now x is equal to, that's what we plotted, and we said y is equal to minus x this squared and plus x plus 1. And we suppress it. We now say plot y against x. And so here we are. We run it. It will ask me to save. This is MCE 202. We'll call it graph 1.m. And so that's that. So we are going to have oh, I think this was minus in your own. This is 10 minus 10. So we have stuff like this. I was saying that in this, I noticed that in your window now, all this, I don't know whether it's the way you formatted your system. So in this insert, you can see X label, Y label, Z label, title, etc., etc., etc. And if I want to edit this point, I simply come here, click that arrow, and edit my graph. I don't know why it's not like that in your own. So this is I can make it 2. I can change the color. Make it red or any other color. I can change the line style to dash dot, and marker, you can make the marker to look like this. I think that's where it was. Where is it? Marker. You can make it to look like this. And marker size, if you make it 4, it will look bigger. And that's that. And then you can you can actually get the equation that produces this in, where is it? By doing basic fitting. Why, Chi Mobi, you are raising your hand. What is the question?
Sir, all these things are actually here under the format tab.
Eh?
They are here under the format tab.
You will share your screen again.
Okay.
I have not used MATLAB 2026. The challenge is that you want to upgrade, they want you to install afresh instead of just updating. So I can't have three sets of MATLAB. You have 2024, 2025, 2026 on one computer. That will slow down the system. And I have a number of things that I don't want to lose by installing and uninstalling beside the trouble of doing that and the time. So you can see that this thing has given us equation of this line. That's what is called basic fitting. So share your screen again. Let's see what you are saying. So where are they?
So to change the color and the thickness of the line, I select the line. Here we can see the color, the thickness, the
But
style.
I've been asking you to select the line. It's not working.
I had to select this first.
You have to select what?
This particular setting here, select and plot edit. I had to enable the setting.
Oh, okay. That was the arrow I was looking for.
Okay.
Probably because your distance is a bit tiny. I was looking for that arrow, I didn't see it. Okay, so basically it's the same thing, it just they formatted some things. Okay. Finally, before we please, I'm not coming back to basic MATLAB again. There are things you can do on your own. The next class we are going to have, I will give you assignment now. I can see only 48 persons here. The next class we are going to have might be a physical class. I've already prepared the lecture I'm supposed to give you in MATLAB in 3 modules. The next class will be a physical class. After that, we begin to do the modeling of the physical system, which is the real thing in the course. So I give you, every one of you, Chimobi, share your screen again, go to Google, this thing, not MATLAB now, go to Google. Okay, type MATLAB Academy. MATLAB Academy. Go to MATLAB on-ramp. So this is click on about this course. Click that video. Is it playing? Is it playing? I don't think it's playing. Close it. Let's not waste our time. Close it. Close the stuff. Okay. This is MATLAB online. This is fundamentals of MATLAB. It's like the ABC of MATLAB. Anybody that is new to MATLAB must undergo this course. Click on course overview. It's about 5 minutes. Okay. Move away from that. Go to commands. So it will show you everything. This course, I think it's about 2 hours or whatever. Start a course. Let's see. Start the course. No, start the course. Start the course, not module. Start the course.
Thank you. Send me the link. Send me the link. I'll do this in I changed my WhatsApp.
So you will do this course online and they submit the certificate. Every one of you should submit the certificate of completion. It should be about either 1 hour, is it 2.5 hours? But it's self-paced. Self-paced in the sense that where you stop, you continue next time. When you have done it, and get it completed, MathWorks will issue you certificate of completion, which you are going to attach to your manual while submitting it. You print it on colored printer. It's just 1-page document. Your certificate, which will bear your name. Why making, what do you call it? Why creating your account? Chimobi, I hope the name of your university is Federal University of Technology or what? Is that what you choose?
Yes, sir.
So that is what everybody should do. So that's that. The next class will be, before we have another online class, which will involve MATLAB again, I will come to the class and do mathematical modeling of RC system, analyze it, and with all the mathematics that are involved. After that, we now come back to MATLAB to do the plotting and analysis and Simulink if time permits us. So with that, is there any question? Because shortly we are going to come to the end of today's class. Any question for me? Okay. In absence of
Sir,
go ahead, I'm listening.
okay, sir, regarding creating the account, right? Are we going to like go to ICT to get our school email?
Ask the people in computer department how they did it. I've been saying that time and again. I won't continue to say that. There is a procedure for that. Just ask the people in computer how they did it. Okay?
Sorry, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Um, Sir, I noticed that in your line of code, when you were plotting, that the first line that was in the Chimobi's
Speak up. I'm not hearing you
code
very
when he
well.
was writing for the plot,
I'm not hearing
like
you
I
very
said,
well. Speak
I
up.
noticed in your line of code, when you were plotting, when you were writing your code for your MATLAB, I noticed that the first line of code in Chimobi's was not included. I don't know. Was it like a comment or
Yeah,
something? Was
yeah,
that
it's a comment now. I said it before. Probably you joined late. It's a comment, so it wouldn't run.
okay? So that means the percentage sign is used to comment in MATLAB.
Percentage sign is a comment in MATLAB. Any other
Okay,
question?
okay, thank you.
Who is raising up his hand? Ikechukwu Okonkwo. Ikechukwu now, talk now, talk now. I need to. Or is he the person that just finished talking? Somebody's okay, he has put down his hand. In that case, we assume that the question has been answered. So we call it a day. The next class I'm going to have with you will be modeling of ROC circuits. After that, we have another class where we now begin to talk about time constant, plotting the graph of ROC system, and possibly simulating it using okay, I may not be the one to simulate it. Probably another lecturer will simulate it for you people. Okay, so in absence of that, good night, everyone. You will get the video documentation of today's lecture. I will just drop it on the group chat so that the people that doesn't care if they want to listen, they will listen. If they don't want to listen, it's not really my challenge. If anybody fails, God is not going to hold me responsible because this lecture was announced. Okay, good night, everyone.
Good night, sir.